What's up, guys? Good morning. Fisherman Squi here. So this morning, well, first of all, I want to say thanks to everyone that checked out the last video, the sea robin video. It's doing well and it's still going. Keep watching the rest of the videos also on the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn the post notification on so you can get notified when I post a new video. This morning, I'm going up to a little spot to see what I could catch. Hopefully, I catch some porgies because I know porgies are in New York State right now. So if we catch some porgies, we're definitely going to do a catch, clean, cook. And if I happen to catch like a sea robin or something else, I'll do like a comparison, porgy versus sea robin, or, you know, whatever it is that I catch. But the only thing I picked up this morning was just some sandworms. That's it. I didn't get anything else. And of course, I got a couple of jigs and stuff like that I'm going to be working when I get to the spot. So I'll see you guys when I get on something. And remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn the post notification on, tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel, and you guys just continue watching, and it's just gonna get better and better from here. I'll see you guys when I'm at the spot. Ooh. Really? All right, so guys, first catch of the morning, and it's a little baby porgy. This guy right here. Yeah, guys, the porgies are in, but this guy is too small, so I'm gonna definitely toss him back. But it's just a good thing to know that they're actually here. It's a good thing to know that they're here. Pardon me. So I'm gonna put him back right now. No, I had a nice porgy come in and I lost it because the line, I don't know, I don't know how he got off, but I was reeling him in and he got off the line. So at least it's good to know that they're here. But I'm gonna put my line back out. So far I lost one setup on my line, so let's put the line back out. Let's see what's going on here. But it's a slow day out here right now, and I just hope it gets better. Yeah, the guys down there are doing some good catches, but I don't want to be that close. I just want to stay in my own domain, which is here. And the tide is coming up, which is a good thing. When I got here, the tide was very, very low. but now the tide is coming up, so I know, say about 9 o'clock, 9:30, I should be getting some good catches. All right, guys, so I'll be back. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Something needs to be hooked to my line. Let me go back in that spot I was at before, because it looks like I just can't get hooked around that pole. That pole right there, you see straight ahead? I cast it out before and I got hooked around the pole. The line went over the pole. So I didn't want to get stuck there, but I was getting some bites in this area right here. So I'm just gonna cast a little bit that way to see what happens. Because nothing else is not happening on the other side where I'm at right now. All right? Okay, that's decent. Good. Okay. All right. Oh, so many casts, nothing going on. Let's hope this change. After I run out the worms, I'm gonna chase to my jig because I see some big fish running around here. So let's just see what's going on. Oh, it's really slow right now. Nothing's happening. The tide is coming in. So while I wait a little bit, I'm just gonna be throwing a jig here. This is a 3-ounce jig, and see what happens. Toss it out there. Try this side. There we go, guys. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay, the last cast out for the jig. And I'm going back to my worms. Woo! See? You see what happens when you don't pay attention? My bail closed on me. Ha! That's crazy. Okay. Let's open it up. All right, there we go. Always check the line tip to make sure that it's not tangled up, because that can be an issue also. And here we go. Okay, good. I almost lost my jig a while ago. That would have been heartbreaking. Thank God I did not. The tide is coming in. That's the good thing about it. So they say that the fish come in at low tide, the big fish come in at low side. I don't know how true that is. So like I got something on my line here. Oh, great. I caught a horseshoe crab. Oh, barely hooked, guys. This is amazing. Look at that. A horseshoe crab. Wow. See that, right? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how I hooked him. That's crazy. So let's unhook him. Get him back in the water. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, so let's unhook this. First time I caught a horseshoe crab. I've seen one before. I don't want to get stung. Hold on. Get this off. I left my pliers at home, but let's see if I can get this off with this right here. Gotta watch this thing. You got it? Yeah. Damn, that shit is all in there. Oh, okay, got it. You gotta get it out the back. Yeah. Come on, stay still. Okay, there it goes. Nah, it's good. You just gotta stay still. There we go. Okay, bud. So guys, horseshoe crab, never caught this before. Let him go. There he goes, he's gone. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's a good spot over there. Yeah, it's good too. Yeah. You catch anything over here? I caught some porgies, but over here? Yeah. They're not like oh, this is the first. Oh yeah, this is a sea robin. Sea rob. Oh no, it's a porgy. Oh, damn, this is a nice one too. Shit. Yes. First porgy of the season, and that's a monster. Hell yeah. All right, this is going in the cooler, guys. Catch, clean, cook today. That's a monster. Look at that. Woo! Beautiful, right? Yeah, yeah. Welcome, welcome. So, guys, here is the porgy that I caught, right? That's a jumbo porgy. He's almost as big as the sink, as you can see. So that's a jumbo porgy. I caught him today. So I'm gonna clean him up and we're gonna get him cooking. So the first thing I do, cut off the spines right here because I don't want to get stuck by those guys while I'm cleaning them. Next thing I do, cut off these things right here and cut off those. Next thing I do, let's cut these right here and this right here. This porgy I'm going to be cooking whole. Next thing I do is scale this sucker. One thing I'm going to do one day is cook a porgy on a half shell. I've seen people do it with like snappers. I've never did it on like a half shell, but as soon as I get the chance to, I'm actually going to do it. Because I like the opportunity to see what it tastes like. Every porgy I've always cooked whole. I've never like filleted a porgy and try to cook it or anything like that. That's another thing that I want to do. This is one of my favorite fish to eat, believe it or not. They're very easy to cook, and I like to clean them and eat them. Okay, so we scale him all the way. Notice if the spine was still there, I couldn't be holding him up here. And this sucker, like I was saying before, I think I got stuck a while ago. If the spine was still there, I couldn't be holding him up here. So clean him, get everything. And I bled him earlier today when I caught him, so should be good to go. Make sure we get all the scales off. Okay. Yep. Got him. I use a scissor, cut from down there. Come all the way up. And pull everything out all the way back. All the way back. Pull all his gills out, everything. Believe it or not, my favorite part of the porgy to eat is the head. So we're going to be keeping the head here. Okay? Oh, empty. Wow. Alright, so there you go, good. Let's pull all his gills out, right? Okay. All right. We'll wash them up and put them in the pot. Now that's what you call dinner for two, but I've been painting today. I've been doing so much things. I'm exhausted. Look at that. This is my favorite plate to eat from. That's what you call dinner for two right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook them up. I thought there was some rice here, but there's no rice. So I'm gonna put some fries in the oven and I'm gonna cook this down very nice. It's gonna be delicious. All right, let's get it started. So guys, here we go. In this pan right here, we have some butter and coconut paste. So I'm bringing it to a boil so the paste could boil out. Okay, we gotta let this cook. You have coconut, you gotta let it cook, come to a boil, cook nice and easy. So while that's going down, I'm gonna add black pepper. I don't have any Scotch bonnet, but red crushed peppers is just as good. A whole lot of this guy because I love it. My fish nice and spicy. Okay, good. Then we're gonna add garlic powder, a whole lot of that stuff, and onion powder. Okay, so there we go. That's all I need in that. It's gonna be very good. That comes to a boil right there. Very good. Okay. So here I have my fish. I have some tomatoes, some onions, and some green peppers. I'm still gonna season my fish, but the only thing I'm gonna use to season my fish is this traditional fish seasoning. It's a Jamaican fish seasoning that has salt, all types of seasoning in there, but the main thing is the salt. It gives it that extra taste. I'm just gonna take it, just toss it all over my fish, inside of my fish. Again, I don't have any Scotch bonnet pepper, so the crushed peppers is what's gonna give it the taste that I'm looking for. Toss a lot of this stuff over the fish because this is gonna give the fish the taste right here. Okay, guys, the pot is boiling up. These are my fries right here going in the oven. The oven is set to 375. It's ready, just baked. Always try to preheat your stuff. Look at that paste cooking up. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, that's in the oven. We're gonna toss all this onion and everything. That carrots, that coconut smells so good, guys. Oh my God, this is gonna be delish. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. All right. Let that simmer for a bit. While that's simmering, oh, trust me, it's gonna be so good, guys. Trust me. Since my fish is too big, I'm gonna take it and cut it in half. That way it fits in the pot, because if I try to put it in a pot like this, it won't fit. Okay? So I love the fish head. I'll save that to eat tomorrow. And I'm gonna be eating the tail tonight. Yum yum. We still have some onions and stuff here, so let's put it in the pot. Let it simmer. Okay guys, that's what I'm looking for right there, and it smells amazing. So I'm gonna take the fish. Oh man, it still can't even fit in there. Put it in there, okay? Down some of this stuff. Turn it around so it's all nice in there on both sides. Look at that, it still can't even fit. That's a jumbo porgy right there. Okay, take this stuff, put it on top. Okay, and we are gonna let it simmer, guys, okay? So we're gonna let it simmer. And of course, when it's finished, you will see the finished product on my plate, along with the fries. The fries are in the oven for about 30 minutes to cook. That's how it should be, nice and crispy by that time. All right, so there we go. So any extra thing we have in there, it's gonna be nice and spicy. I love spicy food, okay? And let's turn that down, let it come to a broil, and it's gonna be delish. Let's cover it up. So guys, the food is done. That's what my plate looks like right there. Oh my God, that looks delicious. The fries are nicely done. 30 minutes on the fries, and the fish. Oh man, I cannot wait to dig down and taste this right now. Let's taste it. Okay, there we go. Everything tastes so good. It's, oh my God. All I need is some ketchup, guys. That's it. So guys, that's all. I'm gonna go sit down, enjoy my plate. I caught this jumbo porgy today, cooked it, made some French fries, and this is my dinner. It's about 12 o'clock tonight. This is after I'm finished painting and doing whatever I was doing for the day. So I'm gonna sit, enjoy this, watch a show, and knock out to get up early in the morning and start painting again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me how you like to cook your porgy, if you like to catch porgies, or even if you like to eat porgies. And tell me what you like to eat it with. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn post notification on, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, I'll see you guys. I'm tired. I'm gonna enjoy this. Fisherman Squi out.